Safety precautions in playing tumbang preso. What is tumbang preso? Tumbang preso or knock on the prisoner, also known as tumbalata or knock down the can, is a traditional Filipino children's game. This is a very common game among the youth all over the country, played in the backyard, park, or even inside streets. The materials needed in playing tumbang preso are empty can and sleepers. In playing tumbang preso, we have to know the safety precautions to avoid accidents. Number 1. Stretch before playing. Warming up helps prevent muscle injuries and prepares your body for movement. Number 2. Wear comfortable clothing. Clothes should allow free movement and be appropriate for the weather. Number 3. Inspect equipment. Check the sleeper and can for damage. Avoid using sharp or heavy objects. Number 4. Play in a safe area. Choose a flat, open space away from roads, driveways, or fragile items. Number 5. Take turns and follow rules. Only one player should hit the can at a time. Respect the game rules to avoid confusion and accidents. Number 6. Avoid rough play. No pushing, fighting, or using sleepers to hit other players. Keep it friendly and fun. Number 7. Get medical clearance if needed. If you have health concerns, ask a parent or teacher before joining the game. Mechanics in playing tumbang preso. Number 1. An it is the one to guard the tin can is chosen by throwing the pamato to the toe line by all the players. Whoever's pamato is farthest from the toe line is the it. Number 2. The hitters will get ready at the back of the toe line and at a signal from the game starts. Number 3. The pamato must be retrieved immediately once the can is knocked down. The it will start putting it up inside the circle. The one tag becomes the it. Number 4. When the can is hit and falls outside the circle but remains standing, the it has the right to tag the hitter once the hitter leaves the toe line. Number 5. The can may be picked or knocked down under when it is outside the circle. Number 6. If a hitter is not able to retrieve his or her pamato, the others can save him or her by hitting the can.